Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. It's me, Evelia Sadulio, teacher in profession whose passion is to do video tutorial. Today I will teach you how to make a rocket balloon, which is one of the experiment in grade 9 science in the K to 12 curriculum.
For the materials, we have string, balloon, straw, inflator, scotch tape, scissor, cornstarch, and clip. For step number 1, we have to insert the string into the straw. For step number 2, attach the string into the two posts. Step number 3, put a pinch of starch inside the balloon before inflating it. Step number 4, inflate the balloon and twist the open end and temporarily secure it with a clip. Step number 5, tape the balloon to the straw. Step number 6, launch the balloon by removing the clip. Okay, let us do it again. Okay, thank you so much for watching.